Can I keep the house if we split up? It's one of the top VA questions we get during a divorce. Divorce is hard enough. The last thing you need is confusion about your home and VA loan. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy. And in this video, we're talking about what happens to your VA loan after a divorce, whether you're the veteran or the spouse. Let's walk through your options. So what happens to the VA loan in a divorce? If both spouses are on the VA loan and title, the first decision is who keeps the home. A divorce decree can assign ownership, but it doesn't change who's on the mortgage. Whoever signed the note is still legally responsible until the loan is refinanced, assumed, or paid off. Even if the court says one spouse gets the house, the lender doesn't care until the paperwork changes. So be careful. If your name is still on the loan, you're still on the hook. Can the veteran keep the home, or can the spouse keep the home? Here's how it breaks down. Veteran keeps the home, no issue as long as payments continue. Entitlement remains in use. Spouse keeps the home. VA loan must be refinanced into a conventional loan or possibly assumed with lender approval. Using VA entitlement again, the veteran can't use full entitlement for another home until it's restored. That means selling the house, refinancing out, or applying for a second tier entitlement. Did you know that the VA loan sometimes can be assumed by your ex, even if they aren't a veteran? Your lender who services your loan will have to approve them, and it only works if they meet the credit and income guidelines. But if they're approved, you can be removed from the loan and free up your entitlement. I worked with a couple who sold their home, split the equity, and both used their VA benefit again later. Clean break, clean file. In another case, the non-veteran spouse assumed the VA loan, kept the home, and the veteran was released from liability. It took planning, but it worked out. So what are your options post-divorce? If you're getting divorced and dealing with a VA loan, here are the three main paths. Number one, sell the home, use the proceeds to pay off the mortgage, split the equity, veteran gets entitlement back. Number two, refinance. Spouse who stays in the home refinances into a new loan. This removes the other person from the mortgage. And number three, a loan assumption. Some lenders allow non-veteran spouses to assume the VA loan, but approval isn't automatic. You still need to apply. Each option has its pros and cons. What matters is protecting your finances and your VA benefit. Navigating divorce with a VA loan, let's make sure you don't lose your benefit or your future home options. My team and I will walk you through loan assumption rules, refinance timelines, how to restore your entitlement the right way. So book a free consult with us at valoanguy.us or hit the link below. Divorce is tough, but your VA loan doesn't have to.